Hi, I'm Jill Underwood, the Mortgage Queen. Today, I want to talk to you about escrow accounts. It's a little confusing, and I get this question a lot. So let me just answer the questions for you. Let's dive right in. Okay, the term escrow actually has a couple of different meanings. In the western states of our country, they talk about the title company and the escrow company, and they call it escrow. Oh, I just closed escrow on my house. That's not the term that I'm going to use today. Today, I'm going to talk to you about an escrow account. And this is where we put your property taxes and your property insurance into your mortgage payment. So every month when you make your payment, you're making the principal and interest, which repays the loan, and then we're also escrowing 1/12 of the annual property taxes, 1/12 of your annual homeowner's insurance, and we're including that in your payment. Why would we want to do that? Let's talk about it. When you make your payment, we're going to take the monthly amount of insurance and taxes and set it aside every month into an escrow account with your name on it. And it will accumulate. So every month you make your payment. You make your payment in January, set it aside. February, set it aside. March, set it aside. So that way, when the property tax bill comes due, we've already saved the money. It's already right here in your escrow account, right? So we, as the mortgage lender, will make the tax payment for you. Ditto with the insurance. You pay your insurance every year on your house, and insurance is always paid in advance, right? Just like your car, you pay your insurance to insure your car that month. The house is the same way. So when you buy your house, we pay 1 year in advance at closing, and then each month we collect 1/12, and we're saving for next year when the insurance bill comes due again. Okay, so again, the insurance bill comes due, it's already saved in your escrow account, pa-pow, we pay it for you. The benefit to you is that you don't get a big bill in the mail that you're not prepared to pay. I see a lot of properties and property taxes are $4,000 or $5,000 or $6,000 a year. In some neighborhoods where I live, it can be $9,000 or $10,000 a year. Now, if you are not prepared to get a $5,000 tax bill and be able to pay that in the month of December, that's when a lot of annual taxes come due in the month of December, then escrowing is a good thing for you to do because you don't want to get a hold of that tax bill and not be able to pay it. That's a bad place to be. So many of my clients choose to do the escrow account. I'm going to give it a good 95% of my clients have the escrow, taxes and insurance included in their payment because it does make it easy on your budget. Now, the only time where I would recommend somebody to not do the escrow account is if A, they're putting at least 20% down, generally 20, 25, 30, 40% down, and with that, you also have the financial wherewithal. You've got savings, you've got a reserve fund, you've got a portfolio. If you've got the financial wherewithal to handle a $5,000 or $6,000 or $7,000 bill in December, or a $2,000 bill when your insurance comes due, if you've got the financial wherewithal to do that, absolutely, handle the taxes and insurance on your own. But if you buy a house, I just had this happen, if you buy a house and put 20% down, and all of that down payment money was a gift from a family member, and you don't have a lot of reserves and you don't have a lot of savings, you should really escrow. Because again, when your $4,000 or $5,000 property tax bill shows up, you don't have the wherewithal to pay it. We need to escrow the taxes and insurance into the payment. Does that make sense? I really think that this is an important topic, and a lot of folks don't understand why I'm collecting a year of insurance at closing and then every month. Well, we're saving up for next year. That's what your escrow account is for, to save up for when that bill comes due. You don't have to worry about it. We got it. We'll take care of it out of your escrow account. So, does that make sense? I hope so. If it doesn't, you can always call me. And thank you so much for listening today. I hope that I can help you very soon. Take care.
I'm Jill